Hello friend, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about the factorization of the polynomial expression. We already have covered the type of polynomial expression in a short video. You can follow our video. We have the link here in the bar, so you can follow that video. Today we will learn the common factorization in all terms. We will solve some examples here, and now you will learn about the how common factor we can take from any expression. So here we have first we will discuss uh, syntax of this. Like for example, we have the k plus a, k multiplied by a, k multiplied by b, and k multiplied by c. So we have common is here is k. So k is coming in all terms. So what we can do is k is common. We can take k common from all terms. And after that, we get the a plus b and c, the answer. So this is the method of the common factor in all terms. So now, okay, we will follow a syntax book of class 9. And in exercise 4.1, question number 1 is we are today we will solve it. So, but you can take any book and you can refer any book from this common factor in all term method. And because the method is same and question may be different. So first we have question number 1, factorization of the following. So we have question number 1. Question number 1 is 4x plus 16y plus 24z. So here you can see the common is 4 in all terms. So we can take the common is 4, and now we get x plus 4y 6z, right? So this is the answer of this question. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is x squared plus 3x squared y and plus 4x squared y squared z, right? Now we have the common is here is x squared, right? And y is coming in two terms, but we cannot take common because it's not coming in this term. So here is x squared is common in all terms, so we can take common x squared 1 plus 3y plus 4y squared z. So this is the answer of this question. And now we can solve because question number 3 is similar to question number 2. So we are skipping this question and now we will solve question number 4, part 4. Part 4 is 9qr s square plus t square here, and then 18q square r square and s square plus t square, right? So here we have multiple terms are common in these two terms. So first we get the 9 is common because here is 18 and this one is 9. So 9 can be common and q are also a common. But you can see the s square plus t square is also a common here. So we can get like 9qr s square plus t square, and after that we get 1 because we took all things common here. Here we will get the 1. And after that here 9 to the 18 because we have the q. 1q is common here. So we get q, single q, and r is here. And s square plus t square also we have common. We have taken common. So now this is the answer. So answer of this question is qr s square plus t square and 1 plus 2qr, right? So this is the answer of this question. And now we can solve the question number 5, which is very complex here. So question number 5 is z squared x minus upon 16 minus square z squared 8 plus x squared z cube upon 12. So here we have x and z are coming common in all terms, so we can take the lowest uh, t- um, terms in the x and z. So here is z square, and z cube. So we can take z square common here. So we will take like z square common here. And after that, we have x square, but do not have x square here. So we will take only x here upon like 8, 16, and 12. These are not common. So we will find out the single term which are common in all three terms. So I think 4 is common is here. So we can take 4 here because 4 is coming in 12 table. In 4 table we can get the 12, 8, and 16. So now we have x and z square plus z square x is common here, so we will get the 1, and 4 is for 16. From 16 we will get the 4 here, and in this terms we have x is the remaining part, 4 to the 8 plus in in this question we have in this terms we have x and z are remaining, and 4 3s are 12. So this is the answer of this question. Now we will solve question number 6, which is last question, question number 6. So question number 6 is a x minus y plus minus a square b x minus y and a square b square x minus y, right? Now we have the common here is x minus y and a terms. So a, we can take a x multiplied by x minus y is common here, and we can take give the answer is the remaining terms is 1 here because we have taken all the terms in this term, and here we will have a and b because this one is common, and a is single a we have taken common. In last term is a b square. So this is the answer of this question. So I hope understand very well like how we can solve the common factor in all terms if we have a polynomial expression. So please subscribe our channel and like and share with others so they can also learn this method. In next class, we will cover the common factor in all pairs. So till then, bye-bye, and thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe our channel.